So a few people have asked me to show me my room. This is currently in a temporary state, as you can see. I'm going to show you around what I'm doing at the minute, what the kind of plan is, and we'll do some updates as we go ahead. So not sure who I am. I'm Billy Bob, been on 35 years, been looking at game peripherals, mice, keyboards, streaming, doing a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'll show you around, show you what an old man's PC setup looks like. So it's looking a little bit rough down here at the moment. We've got some mice switches. I've got a lot more to put in. These were kind of these pegboards I was going to use, which I've been using. And they're going to sit all on these walls. You can see the mounting brackets still being painted at the minute, but wrapping it all the way around with some foam. These are the mice people have sent to me to check out mod for them. Here's all the paint, some speakers, some tools that we've been using. We've got my streaming setup here at the moment, where I'm streaming for my mods. You can see all my cameras, I'll show you a little bit more. And this is my gaming setup at the minute. I've got the cat heat pad, or pussy cam as we call it. And you can see my temporary camera just mounted here to do that. And this is where I'm currently gaming. Got my streaming monitor, an overhead monitor for my mouse pad, got another overhead monitor for the keyboard. I've got my face cam, which is the new Razer Ultra one here. This is the Elgato Pro as well. I normally have a 3 or 4 monitor setup. You can see I've got a monitor there, and I've got another one down there. That's the 360Hz one, and then I've also got an OLED. We're using a Focusrite 1820, and then we've got a D-Hummer on there for my headphones, and we've got the Foley Pro to boost these. Basically amp for my DT990s, because they're the 200 plus amp ones, or ohm ones, sorry. Got a pulsar from Mr. Frankie P. See a little few mice, ROG one scattered. That's the Frankie P one, looks a bit nice, that pulsar. Some other mice, cup of tea. We've got the Elgato key light, which I normally run this one just on its own. It's actually running on wireless at the minute, you can turn it on and off. Some overhead lights. Got a iPad stand so I can see what my stream's doing, like chat and stuff like that. Or we only put on this monitor here, to be fair. Got the Razer headphone stand that I found. And then we've got the SMB 7, but it's a little bit hairy thanks to my cat. So it needs a little bit clean. Yuck. We have a lot more webcams going around. This streaming PC is in the Evolve Fan X case, and that is a 5950. And then on this side, we've got my 4090 and 3900 case as well. Same case, just silver. A case of cables. These were literally the cables that I took out my original setup when I moved it all. I've got a lot more than that. That's just one box. 10 gig hub. We've got a printer, because obviously posting stuff out to you lot. Some headphones down there. And my router, which is a bit of thing on the floor. I've got a automatic vacuum cleaner, but it can't go around at the minute. My plethora of sockets that I had installed need to be tightened up, so all the paint, you can see that on that wall. And then over here, on this other side, is my streaming setup. New chair from IKEA, this thing's badass. You can see my cat's already starting to claw it. These things are good. We're starting to rub on the warts in the wrong position. I'll show you where the desks are going to go in a minute. We've got my heat gun, my solder station with a desoldered gun. So you can use the heat gun pretty good. Some other general wiring tools, my drill, which I sometimes use a Dremel. I've got my camera, which is a Canon 90D with the Canon lens on it. Got another mount for a camera for a phone. I'm using my MK, is it an MK? What is it now? MK600 shotgun mic when I'm streaming. Some cheaper lights here as well. Another webcam for the scales. This mounting rail, which is new. I did these, I need to cut it down a little bit, but it's quite a good mounting rail, so it's working really well from what I used to have before. Another stream deck, a keyboard, a phone charger, so I'm going to mess around with my phone at the same time. Obviously my pad, which is too far forward, and some of the other tools we're using. And the general idea is to have, on this side, ignoring all the rain that's coming, a 3D printing desk here. See my cat flap? 3D printing desk on this side, and then if you rotate this way around, I'll come over here. We're gonna have my gaming desk here, but further back on a new desk. This is a temporary desk at the minute. It's gonna sit in that corner, height adjustable one. And then on that back wall there, we'll have one of these desks for my modding. And then on that wall there, I'll have another desk, same one of these two again, and that'll be for like B-roll and stuff on YouTube. That is the plan. Let me know what you think. I'll keep some updates. We've got some new carpet in finally, an automated bin, and a lot of rubbish. Most of my stuff's downstairs. You can see some of my other gaming bits like camera lenses, more audio stuff, 4K meters, fans, and then we've got some acoustic foam. I've got some more of that, and just yet more bits and bobs that I took out myself originally. I need to put in, and then I'm using the KRK speakers, which haven't wired up monitors, and there's more modding stuff. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that a little bit. Bit of an insight to me. We're doing a few more streams, and yeah, hopefully this is okay. Hopefully the quality's not too bad. On my iPhone, it's the easiest way to do it, so enjoy.